Welcome to Academic Matter, your partner in academic success and research excellence. At Academic Matter, we provide comprehensive academic support to help you achieve your educational goals. Whether you need subject-specific tutoring, research assistance, or writing skills workshops, we've got you covered. Our expert tutors offer personalized tutoring sessions in a wide range of subjects, ensuring you grasp complex concepts and excel in your studies. From high school to university levels, our tutors are here to guide you every step of the way. Need help with your research? Our experienced researchers provide support with research design, data analysis, and manuscript preparation. We help you navigate the complexities of academic research, ensuring your work stands out. Our scientific paper reviewing service offers in-depth feedback and editing to refine your manuscripts and enhance their chances of publication. Get expert insights and improve the quality of your research papers with our help. Improve your academic writing skills with our interactive workshops. Learn the nuances of effective writing, from structuring essays to mastering citations. Our workshops are designed to enhance your writing abilities, making your academic work more impactful. We also offer workshops on essential software programs like SPSS, MATLAB, and more to boost your research capabilities. Gain practical skills and confidence in using these powerful tools. Need personalized advice? Our consultation services provide one-on-one guidance tailored to your specific academic needs. Get expert advice and actionable strategies to achieve your academic and research goals. Join the growing community of students and professionals who have achieved success with Academic Matter. Academic Matter, your success, our commitment.